Hi everyone, welcome back to Global Scale channel. Today's video is about an iPhone 7 for a hard reset or an update. On my case, I have a problem with this iPhone 7. It will just blink to the Apple logo and then it will power. So what I had to do, I just did an update and that fixes the issue. So I'm just gonna do the whole setup on video so you can see step by step. So first I'm gonna turn off the phone and then I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, connect to your computer, make sure your iTunes is already updated, and then we're gonna press the volume down button and the power button, and then make sure the USB cable is already connected to your computer. We're gonna put connect the USB and then keep holding, and then once we see the logo we're gonna release and press again the power button, and then you're gonna see this exactly this logo. On my case, I'm just gonna do an update, so I'm just gonna click on update. For you guys, if you want to do a hard reset, if the update did not work for you, you're just gonna click on reset. On this case, I'm just gonna do an update on my phone. I already loaded the operating system, so for you guys, you're gonna see another icon on the right side loading, and then you just have to wait until it's load, and then you're gonna see exactly this setup. It's all the way right there. It will keep just going and then start loading and then installing the whole operating system. So on the meanwhile, do not disconnect your phone. You're gonna keep seeing this logo right there. Just wait until everything is finished up and installing the whole operating system. As I was explained to you guys, if you want to do a hard reset, you're gonna be losing all your files. If you have pictures, if you have an iCloud email, they will ask you for that iCloud email and the password. For me, if you do an update, they're not gonna ask you for an iCloud. But if you have a password on the phone, that's the first thing it's gonna pop up, which you have to input your password to be able to log into your phone. If you don't know the password, if you don't have an iCloud email, this is not the video for you. If you don't know the password, but it's your phone has an iCloud email which is yours, and you know the password, then go ahead and do a hard reset if you forget the password. But then if the phone has a problem, like it powers by blinks to an Apple logo, the first things you can do is do an update to a new firmware. If that works, great. If it doesn't work, so you can try another method, which is sometimes if the battery doesn't work, it will give you the same problem, which it will power and go to the Apple logo, and then it will blink and power off. On my case, good things, it was not the battery, it was just some problems on the operating system. So I did an update as I told you before, and then boom, the phone is working perfect again. So let's just follow the steps right now. And the meanwhile, like I said, make sure you don't disconnect the USB cable that goes to your phone from two sides. Do not disconnect it from the phone, do not disconnect it from the computer, and do not power your phone off, and do not power the computer off. Because if you do any of this, you're gonna interrupt the installation, and you're gonna have other problems with your phone. So we don't want to talk about that because you guys are not gonna do it, of course. So as you can see, it's almost there. It's already updating. That's dependent on your computer. I'm not gonna just forward it quicker. So I just waited, and so you can see the exact time limits on my computer. So you're gonna get to this point, the phone will power on. Still do not touch anything on the phone, just leave it as I'm leaving it right there, and make sure you're not gonna drop that phone on any button, so it's not gonna interrupt the installation. As you can see right now, there is a line that you can see on under the Apple logo, and that line, it will keep just growing up little by little until it's complete line. Just leave it installing everything by itself. And then in the meantime, if you guys do have any questions about issues about the iPhones, or if you're looking to buy accessories for your phone. Let's say if you have a problem with the battery and you don't know where to buy it, I'm just gonna leave a link on the comment section below. If you have questions about your iPhones, if you have any other issues, do not hesitate, just send me a comment. I try always to answer the best I can. um, I'm busy with my work every day, so YouTube is not my full-time job, but I always try to help all the friends, all the subscribers to our channels the best I can with the knowledge that I know. If I don't know, I'm gonna say I don't know, but if I do, I will gladly be able to help you. So guys, do not hesitate, and then always give us a like. Click on the like button, subscribe to our channel. That helps me to do more videos, because it takes time, to upload all the videos, and especially if I'm at work and they have to fix a lot of phones and that setup, and then just I have to be just working on one phone and then recording everything. That basically it takes a lot of time for me. So I will highly appreciate, guys, if you guys give us a thumbs up. That helps me a lot to upload more videos, and see you guys liking the videos as well. And subscribe. If you still see the subscribe button still red, click on it so you guys be subscribed, and then click on that ringtone by the subscribe button, so you will see all the videos that I upload. You will just see it as a notice to you guys. So we're almost there. I can see right now it's on the middle, and then in the meantime I'm gonna upload in more videos. Gonna do my best as soon as I can, and it's gonna be a different new concept, which is, since it's been for the channel, I always do different videos, not only electronics. And then I was thinking, for guys who love to make money online, I'm gonna make a video about that too, which it's a lot of areas, a lot of methods how you can do that. If you guys like to work online, I have a lot of stuff to offer. So if you guys interested, go below and then just leave me your comments. Tell me what you want to know. If you're interested about any subjects, just write the name. I'll be more than happy to make a video about it and help you guys in the meantime. Because this channel, it's not only about cell phones. It's not. I just do basically anything. The name is Global Scale Channels. That's mean anything I do on my life, anything I know about it, I'm gonna guys share it with you. So right now, as you can see, when it's finished, you're gonna see click on OK button, and the phone will power. As I said before, if it does has a password, it will pop up right there. So you just need to type the password. You see it's still loading. There you go. Okay, so they're just saying basically there is a password on the phone. That's why it did not read it on the iTunes. There you go, you can see the password. So all you have to do now, just type in your password and you'll be able to go to the main menu on your phone. If you don't know the password, do a hard reset. That will erase everything on your phone except the iCloud email. So make sure you know the iCloud email before you do a hard reset. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. And if you do have any question, like I said before, just leave me the comments below. I always try to answer all the questions. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon.